you lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be shooting this video about what's in my travel makeup and skincare bag. I've been meaning to do this video for a long time, and now I'm going to be going on a vacation very soon, so I thought why not do this video and let you guys know what all I carry in my travel makeup and skincare bag. So if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to hit the button below that says subscribe and subscribe to my channel. And so yeah, let's get started. For my travel makeup and skincare bag, I like to use this bag right here. This is a navy blue colored single zipper pouch, and I like to keep all of my makeup and skincare products in this little bag right here. I ordered this off Flipkart, and it's a pretty nice, good quality, thick material bag, and none of my material has ever gotten broken or has spoiled. So yeah, I like to carry this. So I'm going to start off with what I like to carry. I'm going to be starting off with my makeup products. Now for my face, I like to carry my Tinted Glow Oriflame Tinted Glow Moisturizer right here. It's this Oriflame Very Me Peach Me Perfect Skin Glow Tinted Moisturizer, and it's a very nice moisturizer, a tinted moisturizer. It gives very minimal coverage, like equal to no coverage, and it gives a really nice luminous glow and a good sheen to my face. So I like to carry this during my vacation. So if you're going on a vacation, you like to look more natural and glowy and sun-kissed, so I like to carry this tinted moisturizer with me. This gives me the effect of that sun-kissed glowy look, so I like to carry this. And I also like to carry a foundation. This is my Rimmel Stay Matte foundation, and I usually use this only on the days that I need to go out for parties or for night outs, or if I'm going out clubbing or something. So this is what I keep for those days. Now I also like to keep a concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer, and I am in the shade 10 Light, and I like to keep this for just for the days that I feel that I need some highlighting going on. And this is a very good concealer. It conceals your blemishes. It's so good for spot concealing, and it's so good for highlighting, so I keep this. It's a little bottle. It's very travel friendly, and so yeah, I like to keep this. I also like to keep a pressed powder, so I keep this one. This is the MAC Studio Fix Powder Plus Foundation, and I like to keep this for the days, especially for the daytime where I'm going to be sweating or my face is going to be oily. So I like to just dab this powder onto my skin and make it a bit more matte and better finish. So yeah, for the face I like to carry all of these things. Now for my cheeks, I just like to carry this Makeup Revolution Iconic Blush, Bronze and Brighten palette, and this is in the shade Flush. It's a very nice palette. It's very travel friendly. It's small. It has a good packaging. Yeah, it's this black colored sleek palette, and it has 3 pans consisting of the 3 things: the bronzer, the highlighter and the blush. So you get all of the 3 things in just one palette, which saves your space. So yeah, it becomes really travel friendly, and all of my stuff, the bronzer, the highlighter and my blush, I don't have to carry 3 different things. All of it just comes in one palette. So yeah, I like to carry this. Then for my eyes, I like to carry just one palette right here, which is a Makeup Revolution Salvation palette. It's my go-to palette. It has all the shades that I can ask for. Let me just open it. Yeah, so it's this Makeup Revolution Salvation palette, and it's in the shade Dia de los Muertes. And it has all sorts of shades: neutral shades, colorful shades, shimmery shades, matte shades. So it has everything. You just have to carry this palette and you're done for the day, for the night, for the entire vacation. So it works really well. The next thing that I like to carry is my Maybelline gel liner. So I can use this as an eyeliner, as a kohl, as kajal, as everything. So I like to carry this, and I carry this with its own brush, the Maybelline Drama Studio Gel Liner brush. It's a very good eyeliner. It does not even dry up very easily, and even if it dries up, you can just add a little bit of coconut oil or some primer portion to it, and it becomes fine. And it's pretty small. It's travel friendly. The bottle does not break, so it's a very small little tin, so it does not break. So I like to carry this. I like to carry my felt tip eyeliner. It's the Miss Teen Super Black Fixed Liner. It's a pen like eyeliner, sketch pen eyeliner, and it works really well for those times when you want a perfect wing and you want a perfect jet black finish. So it works really well, and it's just a pen, so it does not take up a lot of space, so I keep this too. And a girl needs her mascara. Even if you're not putting any makeup on, you should definitely go for a mascara. It makes your face look so brightened up and so awake and just really nice. This really makes your eyes look big and nice, so you should always keep a mascara. I like to use my Maybelline The Falsies mascara, the Falsies Volume Express mascara, and it's really good. It genuinely gives you a falsies like effect. It's almost like you're wearing false lashes. It curls up your eyelashes really well, and it also lengthens up and gives volume to it. So this is a really good mascara, and I like to keep this. And when it comes to brushes, I do not like to carry a separate bag of brushes and a separate thing. So I just carry 2-3 brushes. I like to carry a big fat brush that I can use to put my blush and my bronzer. Then I like to carry 2 brushes for my eyes. A flat shader brush works really well for all the times that you want to pack something onto your eye, pack some eyeshadow or some eye pigment onto your eye, and a fluffy kind of a blending crease brush, so you can go into your crease and you can blend your foundation out. Also go into your lower lash line with this crease brush, so I like to carry this. And also I like to carry an angled eyebrow brush, which I can't really find right now. I don't know. So yeah, I like to carry this these 2 brushes for my eyes, an angled eyebrow brush, and then I also like to carry a big fat brush for my blusher and my bronzer. Lips, I really can't understand what to carry, so I just carry all sorts of lipsticks that I can find in my vanity. So the lipstick that I like to carry are these right here. So I have like 5-6 lipsticks and a lip liner. So I like these Miss Claire Soft Matte Lip Creams. They give a good matte finish, so I like to carry these. And they stay on for about 4 to 5 hours, which is pretty good for a daytime finish. So I like to carry this one in the shade 15A. It's a very nice coral pinkish color, and it looks really good on my skin tone. On all sorts of fair to medium skin tones, this color will look really pretty on you, so you can go for this color. It's a very good dupe for all the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream, so I like it. Then I have this another shade. It's the shade 01, which is a nice orangey red colored lip cream. So this is good for night outs and the times that you're going out partying, or even if you like to play with your lip shades during the day, so you can use this. So I like to carry this one. Then there are 2 Maybelline lipsticks that I like to carry. One is, both of them are from the Color Show Creamy Mattes range. One of them is the shade M401 Lively Violet, which is a very pretty. Oh my god, what happened to it? Oh my god, I'm sad. Hey, hot in Delhi now. It's really hot. It's 47 degrees. So yeah, I like to carry this lipstick right here. Okay, I'm sad. My lipstick's broken. Yeah. So yeah. Okay. So this is a purpley nude color. It's a very pretty nude color with pink and purple undertones. It looks really good in fair to medium skin tones. I love how it flatters my skin tone especially. So yeah, I like to keep this one. And there's another one by Maybelline Color Show Creamy Mattes range only. And this is in the shade M304 Mysterious Mocha. It's a pretty nude color right here. You can carry this off with a black smoky eye or a dark smoky eye at night, and also during the day. So you can use this lipstick both the times. Then I have this lipstick right here, which is the Revlon Super Lustrous lipstick in the shade 630 Raisin Rage. I have this on right now. It's a very pretty color. I use this in my Aishwarya Rai Khan's inspired makeup look tutorial. So if you haven't seen that tutorial, go ahead. I'll link it down below in the bottom bar. Do check it out. So yeah, this is the lipstick that I like to carry for my night outs and for my clubbing days. And then there's a lip liner that I like to carry. This one is by Miss Claire. It's the True Color Contour waterproof lip liner, and it's in the shade 02. It's a pretty red colored lip liner, orangey red colored lip liner. So yeah, I like to carry this one. I love the shade. I just apply it as a lipstick, so that's why I like to keep this. So this is what all I like to carry for my makeup. Now comes my skincare. For skincare, I like to carry very little products, not a lot of things. So I'm going to start off with my cleanser. I like to keep this Clean and Clear Morning Energy face wash, Energizing Lemon. It's in the lemon flavor. It's a very good face wash. It works really well on my skin. I'm on my vacation. I don't really like to use a lot of scrubs on my face because they tend to be really harsh on my skin. I don't really use scrubs. So I cleanse my face with this face wash. I use aloe vera on my face, or I like to use some kind of a mild toner on my face to actually make it calmer and make the acidity on my face, acidity level on my face go a little down. So I like to use this Patanjali aloe vera gel on my face, this one right here. I usually pour this into a small bottle or a small tin, and then I like to carry this on my vacation. I don't really carry this entire bottle because it's too huge. It's no use carrying this entire bottle, so I like to carry a minimal amount. I actually have two options for my moisturizer. This one is by Neutrogena. It's my Fine Fairness Cream with SPF 20. It is really good. It is such an amazing moisturizer. I don't really believe in fairness creams. I like moisturizers that actually make my skin look supple and moisturized and hydrated. But apart from the fact that it actually gives a little whitish layer on my face, but it moisturizes my face really well. It makes it look really supple and hydrated and plump. So I like to use this one right here. Or sometimes I like to change it to my Innisfree Orchid Enriched Cream. It's a travel size packaging. It's a very nice cream. It has a really nice scent to it, and it is a little heavy. It is a little heavier on my skin than the Neutrogena Fine Fairness one, but I like this too, so I either keep this one or I keep this one. So I'm trying to get over with all my travel size and sample products, so I usually keep those sample size products with in my travel bag. Then for my under eyes, I like to keep this Innisfree the Green Tea Seed Serum. I like to keep this for my under eyes. I like to apply this in my under eye area during the night time, and in the morning I usually have much more glowy and nicer under eyes. Instead of I usually use this to get rid of all my dark circles or the heavy puffy eyes that I might have in my under eye area. So I like to use this. It's the Innisfree the Green Tea Seed Serum. For my sunblock, I like to use this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblocks. This has SPF 50. This is really good. It's an amazing sunscreen. I use this to apply all over my face, on my hands, or my legs, or whatever skin is exposed to the sun. This is really good. It leaves my skin soft and smooth, and it's waterproof. Amazing sunscreen. Yay to this. Then for my hands, I like to keep this Innisfree hand cream. It's in a flavor. I don't really know what flavor this is. I think it's lemon. Yeah, this is a lemon Innisfree hand cream. I like the sun. It tends to get a little weird and dry and not moisturized, so I like to keep my hands moisturized with this hand cream. It's Innisfree hand cream in the lemon variant. I like this. Yeah. And for my body, I like to keep a body lotion. This is the Nivea body lotion, whitening even skin tone, and it also has SPF. It's UV protected. So yeah, I like to carry this. It's a 75 ml bottle, which is also a travel size product. So I like to carry small little travel size products instead of keeping those big huge things. So I like to carry these things. So this is the body lotion that I like to carry. So yeah. And then comes a single hair product that I like to carry. That's it, one single hair product, and this is my SP Luxe oil. This is by Wella. It's an amazing serum. It's so good. It makes my hair so smooth and silky and soft. Really good. I love this serum. It's a little on the expensive side. It's like 1500 for this small bottle, but it's really good. It is really good. I love this. So yeah. So with that, we finish whatever things that I like to carry in my travel makeup and skincare bag. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you're watching this video, if you're watching me for the first time, if you're new to this channel, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel and comment down below about all your video requests or whatever you like, whatever you would like me to do. And so yeah, stay tuned. Bye bye.